This BMW M4 came into us for a service. This particular car has just over 40,000 miles, so it's actually not that high mileage for its age, and you wouldn't really think that anything is wrong with it. However, when we dropped the oil out of it, it looked like this. The metal contamination in the oil is a clear sign that the rod bearings are on their way out, and on these S55s, they are becoming a more and more common issue as they get older. That's why regular servicing and inspection is such a key component to keeping these cars running exactly how they should. So today we're going to run you through the replacement of the rod bearings in this S55. We'll show you them on the bench compared to the new ones, and just show you exactly why it's so important to keep up with maintenance on these performance cars. Okay, so we now have all 12 of the rod bearings out of the S55 engine. So what I'm going to do is I will grab Jack quickly, who has been working on the car, and get him to quickly run us through exactly what we're seeing here, what the rod bearings do, and exactly what sort of things we're looking at when it comes to wear on said bearings. Okay, so Jack, we have all of the rod bearings here. Can you just quickly run us through what they are, what they do, why are they in your engine?
Yes, we've got set of rod bearings out of this S55. Yep. They sit in the big end on this car. Basically, the oil film lives in here, so when your engine's spinning, this is where your crankshaft will run. It just basically gives a lubricant like with a roller bearing, but this it just uses an oil film living there. These are obviously softer than your crank and your rod, so if something does go wrong with oil pressure, you tend to just lose a set of these rather than
a bit cheaper than replacing a full set of rods, isn't it?
Just a smidge, yeah, especially if there's a crankshaft involved as well.
So this car has about 42,000 miles on it. Is this the kind of wear that you would expect to see in this kind of engine, or?
Most cars, no.
Okay.
But as BMW are now nearly calling these a serviceable item on their vehicles, yes, I mean, this has done, I believe, just over 40,000 miles, and they're already looking like in most cars it broke the 100,000 mile mark. So
okay, wow. So they're definitely accelerated wear compared to most cars.
Yeah, which is why we found a little bit of metal in the oil, and we thought, get in there and investigate. And we have got a small amount of wear beginnings. This is definitely preventative now before it gets worse.
Yeah, which we don't want.
No, definitely not.
Okay, so now that we know exactly what the rod bearings do and how these particular ones are looking, we can get the S55 built back up and let the customer enjoy it. Okay, so we have replaced the rod bearings in the S55. It is running lovely and smooth once again, and we are hoping to have the car back in after it's done a few hundred miles, just so we can take a little sample of the oil to make sure that there is no other signs of wear inside the engine now that we know that the rod bearings are nice and fresh. Obviously, this S55 engine comes in the M4 and the M2 competition as well, so if you've dropped your oil recently and noticed that there's a lot of metal in it, or it's a slightly funky color, or maybe you just need a service, then hit us up at regalautosport.com so we can get you booked in and make sure that your M car is running exactly as it should. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.